Welcome to SigniFlow Academy, where our ninjas show you how to use your system to its full potential. So, you'd like to learn more about saving a template in DocPrepper. DocPrepper is SigniFlow's document field placing section. It is where you indicate where a user must sign or initial, fill in information, select options, etc. DocPrepper templates are incredibly useful for SigniFlow users who frequently upload multiple documents that contain the same DocPrepper elements. Now, let's go through the steps for saving a template in DocPrepper. Step 1. Log into SigniFlow. Your dashboard will open. Step 2. Create and set up your workflow. Start by clicking on the Create New Workflow button. Upload the document you want to workflow. Next, you can configure document settings. Now, you can add signers, approvers and/or viewers. Step 3. Place your text and signature fields. I will be adding my signer's name, date and signature fields. Step 4. Save your document as a template by clicking on the Save Template icon. Select the template type and then name your template. Once done, tap on the Save button. Now you can release your workflow by clicking on the Release Document button. That is how you save a template in DocPrepper. Thank you for watching SigniFlow Academy. Request a demo or keep watching SigniFlow Academy to learn more.